So this is probably going to get me in trouble talking about this on camera, but I just want to show you a little oversight, I would call it. Right in here, so you can see these long stretches of wall on the edge of our stairs. What we didn't realize is that the weight of the dirt that's underneath our steps here was slowly pushing out the dirt as we were compacting to put each step in. You can see the steps continue behind me. And we're just thinking ahead, once we get the handrail and we try to put it in, it's going to be all wonky. So what our guys decided to do is take the steps out. It's not going to be too hard to put them back because they're already cut to size. Everything's ready. Definitely a little bit of loss of production here, unfortunately. But we have to do this right. And so what we did is we put these 8x8s in here and here in the middle. You're not really going to see them from the other side, but they go super deep. And we put concrete around them, and we're going to be anchoring our 2x12s to those 8x8s from the outside. So that's going to just give a little bit of extra strength in the middle of these two sections and keep the dirt from pushing it out. And it's going to make everything line up straight where the stairs are. So by the end of this week, we're going to have this whole stairway done all the way to the top anyway. It's not like we lost a whole lot of time, but that is what happened here. So if you're ever building a staircase on a slope and you have this much dirt, you got to basically figure that this is a wall. This 2x12 section of stairway is effectively a wall, and it needs to be treated as such. So we have proper drainage and whatnot on this side of this wall. On this side, though, it's also a wall. It's stepping down in elevation, and it needs to have plenty of support to keep that dirt from bowing it out.